Alright. Go on with your patty crumb. Which Mila come as soon as I sit down at the table I eat something. She come to check me. She a real billiards, you know. She love food. And she love big people food, you know. She love big people food. She want to try everything what me I eat. This she sure not gonna eat because the soup is spicy. Not gonna give her. She not gonna want it. But if I fry chicken, she ready. Boy, may I tell you, she love fried chicken. She love fried chicken. What else she love? Rice. She love rice. Spaghetti. Yes, she love solid people food. She don't want a baby food. Wagwan, Mila, and a fried chicken, and a fried chicken. It's not a fried chicken, baby. It's a soup. Oh, you want to give me something? So me just there. Me I eat soup. Red pea soup. It's nice. But me not gonna eat. I don't know what is this. Something related to a pork body part. It looks kind of. I don't know. It don't look good. So me not gonna eat it. Just gonna eat the water from the soup. It looks like beef fat. And I like it. And what that? What is this, guys? I don't know what is this. Yo. I'm not gonna eat it. Put it aside. Nope. I have yam here. Sweet potato.
Mila did a great job. Mila found the letter C.
Yeah. I bet me love. Nom. So good. My favorite soup. And after pumpkin soup. Soup wasn't enough for me. Of course it wasn't enough. How do you? Woman of eat. Woman I work hard. So I got me some baked chicken. Chicken. You like it? If she gone and she did not spit it out, that means she likes it. So yeah. I can't survive pan soup. If you can't survive pan soup, it's good, but me can't do them something. I'm probably not gonna eat all of it, but I'm gonna enjoy some. That's so good. That's so good, boy. Food sweet. Boy. You see, I just came to Jamaica. Seeing macaroni and rice in a one box was a little bit of cultural shock, because in my country we don't do them something. Either we eat rice with something, or either we eat pasta, macaroni. But this is like a salad, not like pasta. But in my country we don't do both in one time. But it is nice. So I will learn how to combine. And we are combined right now. That's a good combination. But my mom came to Jamaica the other day. My mom came to Jamaica. She was in shock that I am eating rice and macaroni in a one bite. Just like that. But she's not used to mixing. She never ate it like that. Yeah. So people always wanted me to show more of my daily life and what I am doing all day. So I'm showing you more of what I am doing. And right now we're in the backyard. I'm have to kind of make the backyard look more civilized because we have a lot of trash in terms of leaves. We have a lot of fallen leaves in our backyard. So guess what I'm going to do? Yeah, that's what I am going to do. Now I have to pick them up with this. And of course, I'm not gonna do it alone. I'm gonna make Danny help me. Yay! Yeah, so when you don't live in an apartment, that's what you have to face. You have to take care of your yard. You have to take care of your landscape. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we are doing good work. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yep, doing good. Danny said, let's go, Mama. But we didn't finish, Danny. We have a little bit
Oh, there's some.
left. Yeah. But the yard looks better now. It's good, right? How much leaves did we pick up? Yeah, it's a good look. Danny, I will work off a pay. This is yours.
Thank you.
Okay. You did a good job. High five. We did a good job. Mommy and Danny. What you gonna do with it?
Buy popsicle at school.
You're gonna buy popsicle?
I'm gonna buy the popsicle for Leo and the fudge for me.
Oh, so you're gonna share your money with Leo?
Yeah.
Oh, you're such a good brother. You know that?
And next the change that I'm gonna get is 100.
Yeah, he's such a good brother. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Take it from her. Take it from her. She can't have it. Yeah, man. So, I want anybody to carry the floaty for Mila, please.
And this.
Who's gonna carry floaty?
Me.
Alright, Danny. Alright, Mila's going in the stroller. I'm so glad me have this little stroller. I'm gonna have to hold me line on my hands 24/7. Now we're ready. We're ready. Let's do road. See island there. See island there. There's a lot of people in the pool area. Here is there come. Well, that's why it's busy. Our gated community got Airbnbs and stuff, you know. So people come when it's a holiday. Mila just runs up and down. Hold on, not so fast. Not. This is my first banana bread since I gave birth to Mila. That's how I know she'll grow, so I can do something else other than babysitting. Plus, boys, they help me with Mila. They occupy her time. They're real helpers. Like, they help me so much. You guys doing a good job. You guys helping mommy so much. So mommy can treat you back with something nice. With something yummy. So hear the situation. See the situation. And unfortunately, you cannot smell the situation because it smells so good. Lionel, do you smell the banana bread? It smells delicious. So yeah, baking banana bread. I've been missing some.
It will taste that delicious.
Yeah.
I smell that delicious.
Okay. So I absolutely love banana bread, homemade banana bread.
Looking.
Millie's checking on banana bread. Do you want some banana bread? Today I was teaching Mila how to say some English words and she can repeat pretty good. Mila, say car. Say car. 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 Alright guys, so let's check out on the banana bread. I think it's okay. I'm a person, I am afraid to burn my stuff that I bake. So Yeah, that's it. I need a toothpick to check on it. I think like it's okay because I'm afraid the sides are going to be overburnt and it will not taste good. It doesn't taste good when the sides are overburnt. So I think that's the banana bread. That's the banana bread. Okay. You see the sides? I don't want them to be darker than that. I kind of wanted it to be a little bit more browner, but it's alright. I think it's alright. I have to tell you how it tastes after. I'm not going to eat it now because it have to cool down overnight. Normally, I don't eat banana bread straight from the oven. I normally put it down. I do put it down overnight, and next day I enjoy it for breakfast with my teas. Yeah, so that's the situation. Yeah. Lionel, don't cry. Good news, Daddy's coming home today.
Yeah.
Don't cry, Leo. Are you okay? Oh, yeah. Leo just not used to do homework alone. You want to do it with Daddy, though? It's like a ritual for you. Right? Oh, yeah. Him soon come. Danny, go sit down and eat. Go sit down and eat. See your food? Go sit down and eat. So, we're just there. Lionel cry. I'll call Daddy. I hear that I am not lying. He is really coming home to rescue Lionel. Lionel, talk to Daddy. Hey, Lionel is crying, you know.
He's crying for you to help him to do his homework.
Oh, okay. Tell him I'm coming home to help him, right?
You're coming
He's
home
just
now?
sitting and crying. Oh, Leo.
Daniel.
Maybe he just miss you. You miss Daddy? You miss Daddy, Lionel? Oh.
Oh. Tell you that he's coming here.
The stress.
Yeah, so Daddy's on the way, okay, Leo? Don't worry.
I'm so missing nobody.
Yeah. So y'all come home. Y'all come home. You know, when we just now we came home from pool, so Daniel well hungry. You know what I'm saying? I'm go to the freezer, open the freezer, and there's no patty box. There's no tasty patty in the freezer. So he said, "Oh, come on, you want me to die?" Cause you know. Yeah, there's no tasty patty, no Cheerios, so I'm just saying, oh, come on, you want me to die? Oh, you come home with one box.
I'm gonna die.
See yourself, he's gonna die if there is no box of tasty patty in the freezer. No man, he might eat food.
Mila looks so much like when I was a baby, yo.
Like you?
Yeah, me look for Mila face and I see my picture of Milka.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yummy, she look like.
Look like a 2 hour then.
Yeah, that's a great
So
one.
cute.
2 hours.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey, she's so cute. Yeah? Yeah. Cheer up, man. I'm coming here and then we can do the homework. We can do the homework from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. So
You have some time, Daddy. You have some time to do your homework. It's just 7.
you're gonna have some time. So I'm already on the way. We can do it. Okay, Leah?
Smell this.
Leah?
What does?
Come on.
Now, Daniel, you in the good hands. Now you're gonna survive.
I'm not gonna die for you.
What he said, he's not gonna die.
gonna die for this month.
Oh, for this month, yeah.
Tasty!
What you got there?
Tasty!
Tasty patty needs to put you on there. Had the way you love tasty. Yeah. You need to sign you as a child model for them.
He's gonna come. She said before Tuesday. No,
Guys, so today mommy packed kids for school. I'm packing kids for school today. I'm celebrate Heritage Day Heroes Week. So they have to dress in high national design. National Jamaica and Dania African. Alright, Dania African. Today national. Alright, so you have to wear, Lionel, you have to wear Jamaica shirt today.
I know, but I have to like.
Come put it on. Come here to watch Mila, so you have to be independent. I help mommy. Mommy can't do everything for you.
Mama,
Yeah, man.
But Daddy said to you, you have to put that now.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna participate in a performance today. Who you going to be today? George William who? You know his surname? I don't remember his surname. George William. Oh gosh. Who? Gordon. Gordon. Remember? All right. Alright guys, we're in a supermarket. It's made of quick stuff. Yeah, see we there. Grocery shopping. We found new Jamaican shirts with new print with a hummingbird. I really wanted one though, but I couldn't see them. See there? I really like the design. How much is Adidas? How much feet? At 21 grand. That's a 21 grand for Jamaica. If somebody have one, beg you no. Yo. And them have it in a different color, but same design kind of. Me like this one better still. 21 grand for a t-shirt, Jamaican reggae boys, the national uniform. But I'm gonna see them wear it. But I've seen they advertise it though. Football, Jamaica Federation. Mila is here. Mila is checking out the place too. Daddy's there too. Mommy there too. Hey. So hold on. This is a national Jamaica national uniform. Football, soccer uniform.
Yeah, the guys don't play game.
But we never see them wear. Both them wear it.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. So the other day when they wore the one, no, not with the hummingbird.
No, different variation. See, sometimes sometimes
Me want one, you know. Them reggae boys need to share a little bit here. Beg you one. Reggae boys. We beg you one. This is like an old design, right? But them still wear it? How much weight? 16. Price up. See the old one, the one actually you played in when you got a career with the reggae boys and you represent reggae boys and you play for Jamaica. See that? See down there? That are your year. Your year about. Adidas here. Alright. So what is that place name, Errol? Where we there now? Oh, me see somebody that sit down. Oh, that sit down, so I go check out. Hold on, Errol. Me want to check the statue. Oh, that sit down, so. So, you know that place in Ochi, guys? I never knew that when you go inside, actually, with General Foods, the same plaza, we go inside, them actually have a little nice chill spot where people are hanging. So, that I sit down, so that I stress out, so the lady well stressed out. Yeah, cause she sit down under the sun I burn her, she stress out. Why them not have nothing like to explain the situation? I will put on money, so the sun, no, sir. Yeah. Man, doing little window shopping. Yeah. Sometimes you have to do window shopping. And every time you shopping. Sometimes you do window. So you're looking at the windows them and make plans to come back. I see about little tea. Come back and actually shop. These are window shop. Actually wooden sandals. What a kinda Bridget something. No, that look more solid than Bridget. Look like somebody actually made with the handmade footwear. No, so these are fully wooden slippers. Have you ever wore something like that? Is it comfortable? But me like the design. The one is nice. Like a reggae foot slippers. Yeah. Come on guys, time for me go back home. Window shopping done. How much for one?
Yeah, 300, 500,
300 for one? The local one?
Yes, yes.
Oh.
1,000 for this, 500 for this.
1,000 feet?
Yeah, and 500 for this.
Where the one come from?
This see the two of them come from.
No, Jamaica.
Yeah.
Oh. A grand for a big pack, right?
For the big one.
Oh.
500 piece,
Guys, so today I cooked something new for us. One time we did try to cook the fries, but it never come out good. So this time it doesn't look too bad to me. Remember me a white woman, so for me it doesn't look bad at all. Give me a credit. I got make her I'll try. I will grate it with brown stew beef. Grated with brown stew beef. See the brown stew beef. Going to mix Jamaican and African cuisine. Why not? We have one life to live. Have to try everything. I'm gonna give her a try. Hold on there. Alright, can you try this? Is it tasty? It's jollof fries. May not have the miracle touch. Because trust me, even the muggy, let me tell you something. You see on the back of the muggy, it is written how much TCP of you put in a 454 grams. Sorry, 454 grams. One time I did follow that instruction. Hey, just slow. Just let me be. Yeah, sometimes, so it goes. Yeah, so food ready. Why? Food ready. So here's my brown stew beef. Should I cut the scotchy? Now come Mila. Osha. Yeah man. Now I cut my scotchy. Some done, some want a little flavor in it. Easy.
Good job, pass it out. Good job. Pass it out. Stop joking around. Here, take your ball and go back at the side. Daddy. Come on, let's go. Come, let's go. Go, gaga.
There, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks.
Get up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah.
We're going to the next one.
Jumping jacks. Yeah, jumping jacks.
Come on, let's go. No. We'll start doing this. Come. Ronaldo, come now. Julia, you're going to do this first. Look. Come now, Ronaldo. Why are you in the water?
Nani?
Hey, just record him because I want to send him because this video.
This is what you're gonna do.
No, Ronaldo, come here. Yeah, come here. Come on, please. Ronaldo, get attention. Look, Ronaldo.